Hey Nicole, I have this great property. You're gonna love it. There's so much potential.
Okay, I'm up for learning. I'm up for exploring. Let's go take a look.
Come on in.
I don't know about this.
Oh, come on, Nicole. Trust me on this one.
Oh, wow. I can see the potential now.
See, I told you. Just wait. Wow, this bathroom has so much space.
And can you just imagine what this kitchen could be? Oh, wow. This place is gonna look amazing with white cabinets.
You think that's amazing? Just wait, I've got more.
Let's see if I can snap like Sabrina in this one. Whoa. Hey, Sabrina, where are you? I thought you had something to show me.
Hey Nicole, come in here. I've saved the best for last.
Whoa, this is gonna make a killer primary suite.
I told you, Nicole, this place has tons of potential. You need to come check it out for yourself. This is a great property.